This is my psycho girlfriend trying to put our cat on a leash. Obviously, it's not going so well since Emmy will not get off the floor. Not really sure why she wants to do this. I think it will just encourage her to run away more. She's not a dog.
Stop it.
Why?
Emmy, what do you think of this leash? Yeah, you hate it, huh? You really hate it. I can tell from your eyes. Come on.
She'll bite you. Well, this could go on forever.
You pick her up and put her outside.
No. So she can bite my arm off? She already did that once.